Hello student, today I teach you province 4 or Gandaki province. This province lies in western part of the country and maximum land covered by hill and mountain. Let us we discuss the features of this province. Number 1, it has the highest ADI value. Number 2, many of the lake of Nepal are in this district. Number 3, it collects the highest remittance. Number 4, it is the richest province in terms of the water resource and tourism. Now again, we discuss the profile of province. Area 21,732 square kilometers. Populations 24 lakh 3,016. Number of district is 11. Headquarter Pokhara. Number of local level 85 and literacy rate is 74.81%. Now again, we discuss the socio-cultural environment. Different castes, religious and ethnic group of people live in this province. For example, Gurung, Magar, Brahmin, Kshetri, Dura, etc. are the main inhabitants of this province. Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist and Christian, etc. type of the religious peoples live in this province. Now again we discuss the main economic activities of this province: agriculture, tourism, service, foreign employment, animal husbandry, horticulture, etc. are the main economic activities of this province. Now again learn about the famous religious place of this province: Manakamana temples, Muktinath temples, Talbarai temples and many more religious places also there. Now again we discuss the resource and prospect of development in this province. In this province there are many natural resources like mountain, river, lake, etc. are there which help the tourism sectors and high potentiality of hydroelectricity. Now again we learn the province 5. There is no mountain range in this province. Most part of these lies in the Tarai and rest in the hilly regions. Now again we learn the feature of this province. Number 1, this province has only Tarai and hilly region. Number 2, it is the second smallest province in terms of area. Number 3, old famous pilgrimage site Lumbini lies in this province. Now again we learn the profile of this province. Area 17,810 square kilometer. Populations 45 lakh 40,222 according to the census 2011. Number of district is 12. Headquarter is Butol. Number of local level is 109. Now again we learn the socio-cultural environment of this province. Different castes, religious and ethnic group of peoples live in this province. For example, Tharu, Magar, Brahmin, Kshetri, etc. are main inhabitants of this province. Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist and Christian, etc. type of the religious peoples live in this province. Now again we learn the famous religious place of this province. Number 1, Lumbini. Number 2, Sorgodwari. Number 3, Resungai city and many more religious places also there. Now again we see the economic activities of this province: agriculture, tourism, service and foreign employment. Again we learn the resource and prospect of development in this province. In this province there are many natural resources like plain land, river, forest, etc. and religious place like birthplace of Gautam Buddha, Lumbini also there which help of development of tourism sectors. so that overall there is a great possibility to develop this province. Now again we learn the Karnali Pradesh or province 6. Karnali province is the largest province in terms of area. It is located in the north of province number 5 between the Gandaki and Sudur Paschim Pradesh. Now again we learn the special feature of this province. Number 1, it is the largest province in terms of area. Number 2, it is located in the hilly and mountainous region. Number 3, it is the least populated province. Number 4, it is rich in natural resource and backward in infrastructure. Now again we learn the province profile. Area 32,233 square kilometers. Population 15,70,418 according to the census of 2011. Number of district is 10. Headquarter Birendranagar. Number of local level is 79. Again we learn the people's of way of life of this province. Due to the difficult topography and lack of the physical infrastructure, the population density of this province is very low, but different caste, cultural group of peoples like Brahmin, Kshetri, Thakuri and Dalit live in this province. Now again we learn the famous religious place of this province. Number 1, Chandranath. Number 2, Kakrepiyar. Number 3, Sheikh Gumba. etc. are the famous religious place of this province. Now again we learn the economic activity. Number 1, agriculture. Number 2, animal husbandry. Number 3, service. Number 4, trade and business. Now again we learn the Sudur Paschim Pradesh or province 7. Sudur Paschim Pradesh is located in the westernmost part of the Nepal. It is covered the mountain, hilly and Tarai region of the far west. Now again we discuss the special feature of this province. Number 1, it is the westernmost province. Number 2, it is the third smallest province in terms of area. Number 3, it is the limited access to basic infrastructure and facilities. Number 4, there are widespread gender and caste-based discrimination. Now again we discuss the province profile. Area 19,539 square kilometers. Population 25,52,517. Number of district is 9. Headquarter Godavari Koilali. Local level 88. Literacy rate is 63.48%. Now again we learn the peoples and way of life of this province. Different caste, religion and ethnic group of peoples live in this province. For example, Brahmin, Kshetri, Thakuri, Tharo and Dalit, and Hindu, Buddhist, Christian and Muslim religion are there. Now again we learn the religious place of this province. Badi Malika, Saileshwari and Ugratara etc. are the famous religious place of this province. Now again we learn the economic activities of this province. Number 1 is agriculture is the main occupation. Number 2 is trade and business. Number 3 is tourism and number 4 is service. Now we finish the federalism and provinces. Today is this much. Thank you class.